Hey guys, Dr. Whitney Bowe here. Now, over the last week, I put a whole bunch of trending DIY hair mask recipes to the test. And after all of those trials, I found that a simple combination of conditioner with olive oil, both ingredients I happen to have right in my house, was the perfect combination for my hair. Now I'm just dipping the ends of my hair into my little concoction, and I'm gonna give it about a half hour to soak in. We'll see how it goes. Here's my after, and I am loving the results. I feel like my hair is shiny, it's healthy, it's soft, it's hydrated. The ends look better than they've looked in a very long time, but it doesn't feel clumpy, it doesn't feel weighed down, and it was actually really easy to rinse that mask out of my hair compared to other masks, which took a lot of effort. If you really want to keep your hair nice, shiny, and healthy, it's really simple. Number one, try to avoid heat. So blow drying using hot tools, less is more when it comes to the hair's health. Number two, you want to try to avoid harsh sulfates in your shampoos and conditioners. So try to avoid ingredients like SLS and SLES. You can usually find those things on the label. And then last, prolonged water exposure can actually damage hair through something called hygral fatigue. It swells the hair and the hair is more prone to breakage. So keep your shower short. If you have hair that can tend to look a little oily or greasy, especially at the root, then apply your hydrating mask to the lower half of your hair. It's great for your ends, but if you apply too much to the top, it can really weigh down the hair and increase that greasy look. If your hair mask recipe involves an oil, yes, it's nice. The sound of a hot oil treatment sounds great. It can really damage your hair, okay? It's like deep frying your hair. So you can warm up the oil in the microwave or on the stovetop, but let it cool until it's warm but not hot before you apply it to your hair. And furthermore, you want to be really careful with any hot oils because they can splash onto your skin and create a very serious burn. Now, at the end of the day, I found that a combination of olive oil, an ingredient in my pantry, plus a conditioner, doesn't have to be an expensive one, that for me gave me the best result.